Nevada Assembly is the lower house of the Nevada Legislature, the state legislature of the U.S. state of Nevada, the upper house being the Nevada Senate. The body consists of 42 members, elected to two-year terms from single-member districts. Each district contained approximately 64,299 people as of the 2010 United States Census. Term limits, limiting assembly members to 6 two-year terms, took effect in 2010. 12 members of the Nevada Assembly were termed out with the 2010 election serving their last legislative session in 2011. The Nevada Assembly met at the Nevada State Capitol in Carson City until 1971, when a separate legislative building was constructed south of the Capitol. The legislative building was expanded in 1997 to its current appearance to accommodate the growing Nevada legislature. Since the 2012 session, assembly districts have been formed by dividing the 21 Senate districts in half, so that each assembly district is nested within a Senate district.